Hi friends, welcome to my channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates in my channel for every sector, government sector, private sector, engineering sector, as well as PSU jobs. If you have come first time in my channel, please subscribe our channel because you will be beneficiate from our channel. Basically in our channel, engineering jobs are prioritized. So if you are from an engineering background, then hit the subscribe button and keep motivating us. So let's start this video. Today's job notification has come from Accenture India. It is off-campus drive. They are hiring for associate software engineer. BE Tech can apply for this job. So we will discuss in this detail in this video. Stay tuned with us. So you can see the job profile name is associate software engineer. The company name is Accenture Solution Private Limited. Your working location will be from Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Mumbai, Pune or Gurugram. Okay, so CTC is not so bad, 4,50,000. Experience required fresher, that is 2019 to 2020 batch with 0 years experience. Drive location online drive. The overview for this job position is given, and what you will do there, you have to design, build, test, assemble, support and configure the application using business requirements, understand business drivers that will impact performance and deliver software to those expectations, responsible for incident resolution and support extended to customers through voice interaction or email chat or remote support. So what they are asking for this off-campus drive, so they would love to have ability to anticipate and resolve business issues with agility, good analytical and problem solving skills, deliver code to time and quality expectations, take ownership to the successful implementation of this solution, flexibility to relocate for project deployment to any part of India and work in 24/7 shifts basis business requirement. Also, the below mentioned will be preferred. Basic understanding of ABAP development on HANA, CDS, AMDP, performance analysis, experience or knowledge in configuration, customization of Salesforce.com applications, knowledge and development experience of .NET, that is ASP.NET or ASP.NET MVC. Eligibility for this drive, BE Tech, all stream or branches can apply. 2019 and 2020 graduates can apply. Not the final year students can apply, okay? Only the graduates can apply. An aggregate of 65% or 6.5 CGPA can apply with no active backlogs at the time of recruitment process. Maximum 1 year gap in education are allowed. 0 to 1 year of work experience can apply. The candidate should have certification, academic project experience or internship or work experience in the following technologies. Those are ASP.NET, SAP ABAP, SFDC. Candidates must be eligible to work in India either by citizenship or have relevant work permit document. Candidates who have worked or applied in Accenture before must disclose the details of the time of application. Please note the Bhutan and Nepal nationals can work in India without a need of obtaining a work visa. All other foreign nationals require a work visa or a overseas citizenship of India. Okay, so if you're really interested, you can click on apply link directly. There is no last date mentioned, so you are getting notification as soon as you can apply for this drive. So they are hiring through Elitmus website. All of you have an idea about Elitmus website. It is a kind of programming or test taking platform like MCAT or CoCubes. So you can see the drive location is online. You can click on directly login to apply, and by clicking on your email or mobile number, you can directly continue, or you can directly register if you don't have an account. So after that you can apply for this drive. So that is the whole procedure. If you have faced any challenge, please comment your doubt in my comment section and subscribe our channel, and we will meet in next video with new job updates. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video.